Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix your Apple Watch touchscreen not working after swimming in 2026. So after swimming, the Apple Watch automatically enables the water lock, which is going to disable the touch input. So in order to fix it, you just have to simply rotate the digital crown continuously. You will hear a sound and you will see water being ejected from the watch. Just wait until the screen unlocks and try using the touch screen again. Now, even a small water droplets can stop the touch from working correctly. So in this step 2, you just have to simply use a soft dry cloth in order to wipe the screen, remove any visible water droplets and let the watch air dry for a few minutes. Now avoid using any kind of heat like hair dryer. Now, even after doing both of these steps, the screen is still not responding. The system may be temporarily frozen due to moisture. So in order to fix this, you just have to simply press and hold the side button plus the digital crown together. Then you just have to wait for at least 10 to 15 seconds. Now, after 10 to 15 seconds, simply release when the Apple logo appears and wait for it to restart. So you can try these methods and see if your Apple Watch touchscreen is working again properly. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.